Woo.
Welcome to the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast Show. It's your boy Mac on Scott, the man Russian.
And I'm Salim, the man Taylor Street.
And today, oh my God, happy birthday, brother. You gonna leave me hanging? That's what we are.
I was with the camera, I'm trying to show camera love, but hey.
You didn't turn the calendar, man.
Peace up, A-Town
down. Happy Earth Day,
baby.
brother. It's Aries season. It's Aries season. Happy birthday, man.
Blessings.
Hey, we gotta have a shot for that, Joe. I know.
Yes, sir.
We don't normally pull up on camera, but it's my homie birthday, man.
I'm down for the cause.
We got the Coolie bottle too, man. Shout out Coolie, man.
Shout out to Coolie, Joe.
Put us on.
We
We got the Coolie bottles, man. Pick that up. Yeah, y'all know we off the rocks hard.
We got to be off the rocks.
Hey, we off the rocks hard. We done killed this whole bottle already. We done killed this bitch.
Go.
Yeah, we done killed this boy. And man, it's a good day, bro.
Yes, sir.
Man, Aries season.
Yes, indeed.
It's Aries season, the Weekly Dog, and my brother Salim, the man Taylor Street. This is B-Day.
I know what time it is.
Woo.
And if you don't know, now you know.
Now.
For real.
Woo. Now, back to business. We off the Coolie bottle.
Yes, indeed.
Today's show, Joe, we got an action-packed show. We got cross talks coming today. Cubs socks. Black socks.
Black socks.
No longer.
Man.
You know what I mean? I'm gonna coin the phrase now, World Series socks. I'm gonna tell y'all all about it. You know what I mean? I got a special guest for y'all.
America?
World Series socks.
Okay.
I got a special guest too coming out on the this ain't even on the highlight. Y'all know we went to the home opening and we got busy, so we got gifts. So I'm gonna show y'all some gifts too. So we got the World Series socks crosstalks coming. You know what I mean? Later on this episode.
No, we got the baseball right now. You got the pretenders acting like contenders and the contenders acting like pretenders right now. So hold y'all bets off for a little bit, at least 2 weeks, but that's totally different. You know, that's just about what these baseball teams on right now. You know, get y'all a little bit of input what that is about. You feel me? You feel me?
Yeah.
Then,
you
gotta go to that. Our hard hoops, baby. Our hoops. There's so much basketball.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot.
There's so much. They probably take over the whole segment, pretty much the whole episode, because it's just a lot of hoops right now.
March Madness is here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the dance, the last dance is upon us.
Last dance.
We might name this episode the last dance. I don't know. Or World Series socks. Maybe the last dance though, because this Final Four season. We got my homie T-Knot from We On Fire the Spot coming through on the hard wire. They're dropping some gems on these last Final Four teams and tell y'all the ins and outs of the girls, because we got a few. We got South Carolina, we got UCLA. Shout out UCLA.
Shout out to UCLA.
I didn't give them a lot of love this season. You know, I was kind of disrespecting UCLA.
Shout out to UConn. You know.
UConn, yeah. Paige Beckson strong. Paige and strong.
Just shout out to all the Final Four.
Yeah. South Carolina in the mix too.
South Carolina and Texas.
Yeah, Texas. You know, Texas got the baddest coach. I just want Texas to win because I just love watching their coach on the side. I'm sorry, I'm guilty as a child.
You've been posting a lot too, to be honest with you.
I'm giving perv vibes, but I don't care. It's perv vibes, but I don't care. I love Texas coach, so shout out Texas, man.
Yes, sir.
They doing more on the court, but my eyes be glued to the sideline. I can't even cap, man, but I know how it go, man. Y'all know how it is. It's a man's world, you know what I mean? But it's your birthday, bro. It's Aries season. What? Hey, how you feel, man?
You know, I feel like an Aries, you know, like how Aries normally feel. We're confident, cool, collective. You know, we spring baby, so you know we always. That's when we hatch out. We hatch out now. You know, we chill, we hibernate. You know what I'm saying? We just sit back and stay low key during the wintertime. We come out in the springtime like crazy wild gooses out here. So it's wild goose season for us. Y'all already know fight time.
Yeah, I'm kind of deep out here, P Dub.
Hey, shout out to P Dub.
P Dub, happy birthday, P Dub.
Yes, sir.
We love you, Dub.
Yes, sir. Hey, shout out to you know, one of my other Aries partners out here, Michael Tate. You know,
Michael Tate.
His birthday actually tomorrow.
Neighborhood, Michael Tate, we love you.
Yeah, you know, that's Aries love. All Aries love. We get out Aries love right now. Shout out to AD.
AD, yeah.
out to you, baby. The real AD.
AD Shell.
For you, baby.
Taylor made AD. ATL AD. I don't like how you said the real AD. That rub me wrong a little bit.
Hey, excuse me. Hey, I probably made it said it a little bit, but you don't want to watch it a little bit.
Y'all know what it is, man. We off the rocks, Joe.
My real AD.
Hey, we almost dropped the whole bottle, bro.
Man, I don't speak for itself, man. We're gonna talk about that.
The whole bottle, man. He off the act.
But yeah, though, man, it's just a blessing. It's just a blessing. You know, bringing another year in. You know, I mean, a lot of people I know ain't even here. You know, and so I gotta show love. And I gotta show shout out to one of my close friends, one of my close buddies, my roommate, everything. My brother, B King, man. Rest in peace, B King. We love you, B King. We have good birthdays together. Say, I know you're not here with us, but I know you're watching over us.
Yeah, definitely watching over us, bro. We love you.
We got a lot of y'all out here, but you know I have to really show dedication and love to this man right here because we've been reminiscing and everything. And man, it's just B King was he was an inspiration to us still doing what we're doing right now, keeping it moving, grooving. You feel me? So man, love B King out here, baby.
Yeah, gotta show B King some love, Joe. Gotta show all the Aries some love, man. Hey, all St. Malachi brothers check in, them Rams. St. Malachi Rams check in. Y'all know Lucas brothers. Lucas big staple family at St. Malachi, man. All the Miss Miller kids, we deep out here, 89 to 99.
Shout out to Miss Miller, Joe.
Shout out Miss Miller, Miss Chandler.
We love y'all.
Miss Sanders, don't forget about Miss Sanders. Don't forget about Miss Sanders too. And the Collins, we love the Collins too. Y'all part of this thing too.
Yes, sir.
But it's a part of our lifestyle, man. But it's a lot going on out here in the sports world, Joe.
And also, we had to give our shout outs, but we slide in that like we were saying before, our hoops and stuff like that. We gotta show some love to the NBA too. At the end of the day, it's crunch time right now, so we're gonna have our picks of who the real contenders. He can have a lot of contenders that he trying to change his mind on, but we'll get to that when that.
Okay.
Don't even talk about it right now.
We're gonna bring it up our hoops later on. Maybe our hoops
we're gonna bring it on
section 2. You know what I mean? Because our hoops got 2 sections now. College basketball and NBA. We might do the smash and smash them all together. Because we here for a good time, not a long time. But man, let's have another toast, man. Hey, I'm just happy, man. Hey, the weekly dog.
Before we have our toast, man, please make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, and comment, man. When we put these posts up on YouTube, man, subscribe.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Share that more.
Share that. Like, subscribe, share, man. Weekly dog. Let me tell y'all something right here, right? Before we got to go pay some bills. It's Aries season. My brother's birthday. You know what I'm saying? April Fool's Day. You know what I mean? His birthday not quite today, but I gotta celebrate it with him early because I'm gonna be working. You know what I mean? Doing his real birthday day. So I gotta get it. We all gotta get it all right now. But his birthday symbolizes a lot. It's springtime, summertime shot. Best city in the world around this time, from March through September. No better city to be in the world than Chicago. And we here, and we're doing a Weekly Dog podcast, sports betting podcast, and we having fun with it, man. You know what I'm saying? It's bigger than rap, Joe. It's real bigger than rap, Joe. So y'all gotta tune in, man, support the team, because we coming at y'all, bro, in all forms and shapes. We still got the Brown Toro clean delivery and repair going. Yes, my man independent, remote, you know what I mean? He earning his own check, I'm earning my own check, and we just enjoying life. And now it ain't about riches, being rich, bells and whistles. We rich spiritually. We rich mentally because we got our help and, we here. And that's what it's about, Joe. And we finna get rich financially in a minute because we gambling. And that's what it's about at the end of the day, Joe. Our podcast about entertainment, gambling, having fun, and we finna have a lot of fun on the other side of the break. We coming back with Crosstalks. Y'all tune in, man. Like, subscribe, share. I'm with the mayor, Taylor Street, Salim. It's his birthday. Chris Salim, is it you?
I was gonna put that music on for me, like.
Yeah.
Turn up.
I need my song. I can picture me bump my head in the back of a police car.
at the end.
Yeah, we do it at the end.
We'll come back with y'all on the other side. Right, man. Let's go ahead and get this commercial.